Good morning, everyone. How are you? Yay! Guys, right here we can see a little that's like kind of a bear, right? And it's a Christmas bear, and it says, "Have a good day. Happy Monday." Okay, I wish you have a happy Monday. We're in Christmas Eve, so it's almost Christmas. Okay, you should be very happy at home. Okay, let's see. Today we are going to work on page 20 on our activity book, okay? On our booklet. It's activity 17 and it's a vocabulary. A vocabulary about the the song Lava Twinkle no yeah Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Do you remember yesterday's song? Okay, it says match the words with the pictures. Une las palabras con las imágenes. It says up. Where do you think is up? Right, yeah, right here, the one up, up. Very good. Diamond. Yeah, this one, the second one. Okay. Well, we say a sky. Remember, in the sky we can see the clouds and the stars, and also we can see the moon. This one, very good. You found it. Okay. Now the world. This one, the world, the circle, green and blue with the happy face and the shiny cheeks. Okay, that's the world. And the very last one is the star, and it's this one, the very first one. Okay, that's the star. You just have to match today's activity, and that's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye, guys. I love you.